Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Sir, you are on mute.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
सर आप कैसे हो सर आज?
Good, we are good.
सर आपका मूड मतलब कैसा है मतलब
मेरा मुझसे क्या लेना देना है?
मूड की बात कर रहे हैं।
ध्रुवील चुप रहे, चुप रहे
तो
ध्रुवील,
ध्रुवल फालतू बात पूछेगा, आप उसको डांटोगे नहीं ना।
चुप रहे ध्रुवील।
सर कुछ सिली डाउट सकता है तो मतलब
So while people join, sir, एक question था sir.
बोलो.
So for like the seniors, you had said during the crash course you do difficult sums with them, right? Advanced level sums. So like for the chapters that that we have done, like work, power, energy, and उसके पहले वाले chapters, for the MT, can we watch their recording?
यस सर.
नहीं, it won't work out.
Sir, is that above our level?
सर
No.
तो कंबाइन होगा ना उसमें मतलब आगे के चैप्टर्स के साथ.
So some things might be
Generally,
used,
there
right?
will be problems which are interlinked. Now
Okay,
you
sir.
have to use some part of mechanics, you have to use some part of conservation of energy, some part of electrodynamics. Their problems are involving multiple concepts.
Okay, sir.
Second, half the way through, your seniors wanted us to change the mode of crash course. They said, sir, we don't want tough problems now. For JEE means, let's just brush up the concept. सारे फॉर्मूले या कॉन्सेप्ट ब्रश अप कर लो कुछ टॉपिक्स के लिए. तो उनके हिसाब से ऐसा कर दिया.
Okay, sir.
Because first JEE mains will come. You solve tough problems of JEE advanced. They say you can do it after JEE mains. वो भी valid point है. Some students who are thorough with the concept asked, no sir, give us problems to solve, we'll solve. So different batches may, different requirements, different ways they are met. Now, what was the last thing we covered in the
So
previous?
homework question. You are given the string and a ball, just strikes.
यस सर. सर नहीं हुआ वो क्वेश्चन बहुत टफ था.
Sir, couldn't do
You
it.
said it is very tough.
That is where whole of the problem lies. The moment we say it's very tough, you will start solving the problem with a bias. It's human by nature. We write a plus b whole square and we will say the problem is from Irado. Students will start scratching their head. They'll say a plus b whole square पूछा है, कुछ तो होगा उसमें. Right? Agreed. But this problem I know is a bit lengthy, slightly difficult. There I agree with you people, no doubt. This Bob is striking with a velocity of how much did I give? You know.
You not.
So this will have
And the other one is root 5 GL.
see this is 2r and this is r. So this angle is 2r. Distance between this point and this point. Are you able to see these 2 points?
Yes.
That is 2r and r. So sin theta is half. So theta is 30 degree, theta is 30 degree. This will be u cos 30, this will be u sin 30. Just before collision, this is the state of the problem. Do you all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just after collision, I will take this as Vp, I will take this as Vn, I will take this as V0, this is under root 5GL is given. Till here, is everybody clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Now, along the common tangent, this velocity will not change. I will write Vt is equal to u sine 30 or u naught rather. U naught by 2. This is my first equation. Along the common tangent, velocity for this small m will remain the same. Did everybody understand why this theta is 30 degree? This
Yes,
is r, this is 2r.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, since the collision is elastic, this angle will be 30, right? This angle will be 30 degree. Isn't it? This is 30, this is 30, that means this angle is 30. This is 60, that means this angle is 30 degree. V naught, this will be 60 degree. Till here, are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Velocity of separation upon velocity of approach. I will take this as the second body, this as the first body. Right? V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U2. E will be equal to 1 because you told me it is perfectly elastic collision. Did I tell you in the question?
Sir.
Right. It is a perfectly elastic collision. L is given as 15 meters. Now this is V2. Tell me a sign convention. Shall I take everything in this direction as positive?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Negative.
Negative, sir. Negative. Anything will do. Right? Now V2 in this direction will be minus V naught cos 60. V2 is V naught cos 60 with a negative sign minus V1 is Vn. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
U1 minus U naught cos 30. This is 1, right? Its initial velocity will be U naught cos 30. Which direction? Negative direction. Minus 0 is equal to 1 is my second equation. Observe this carefully. 99% of the students commit mistakes with positive and negative. Any direction you take, you want to take this positive, take this negative. But stick to that till the complete equation. That's the only catch. V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U. So far, so good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, the third equation is, observe carefully. In the horizontal direction, there is no external force for both masses put together. This is T delta T. I agree, but that's in the vertical direction. Horizontal direction, both masses put together, there is no external force. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I conserve linear momentum in this
Yes, sir.
direction?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a look. Initially, the ball was falling vertically. So initial momentum in the horizontal direction is 0. Final momentum of this will be m into root over of 5gl. V naught is root over of 5gl. Right? I am writing here V naught. You will substitute V naught as root over of 5gl. Fine. Now, m into V root over of 5gl. I am taking this direction to be positive, this direction to be negative. So, now resolving this, this angle will be 60. This will be 30. Am I right? This angle is 30. See if you are convinced. Or see, these both. This angle and this angle will be vertically opposite. So this angle is 30 means this angle is 30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right? This and this are vertically opposite. If this is 30, this will be 30. Now, if this is 30, Vt cos 30 minus of this momentum is towards the negative x direction. M Vt cos 30 plus M Vn, this angle will be 60
60, yes, sir.
cos 60. Vt value is already known to you, u naught by 2, u naught by 2. This is my third equation. Count your number of variables. Vt is one variable,
Vn.
Vn is one variable. Is there anything else?
No, sir.
Job done? You are asking me to calculate u naught. Sorry, u naught is one variable. Three equations, three variables. 1, 2, 3. You are asking me to find out u naught. Eliminate Vt and Vn. Tell me how much you are getting for u. I will wait for you, people.
How can we conserve momentum?
In the horizontal direction, both masses put together name an external force. In the horizontal direction, both masses put together name an external force.
Can you please repeat?
In the horizontal direction, both masses put together name an external force.
So the normal force will act as an internal force.
Obviously, where both masses put together, जब बोल रहा हूँ normal force. Tell me your judgment. Is it internal or external for both put together?
Internal force.
So name the external force in the horizontal direction.
There is none.
Hence, I conserve
Momentum.
one.
So,
Huh.
so can you keep a combined test next week?
Next week. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. लिखने दो मुझे. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Test.
So this chapter will get over before TWT on 23 Jan.
I have only one thing left over in this is variable mass.
Because we have a lecture on Sunday also.
Yeah, शायद will be at the back end. दिक्कत ये नहीं कि मैं खत्म कर पाऊंगा, आप
सर,
लोग
हमसे
खत्म कर
खत्म
पाएंगे
नहीं
कि
होगा
नहीं
अभी।
पता नहीं. Because the assignment that I'll send you now today has got 60 problems.
60.
60.
Exercise 1
Sir,
में
exercise 1 was also 60%.
थोड़ा I completing the chapter is not difficult. You completing before
Yes, sir.
will be difficult.
Yes,
We should give you time.
discuss.
So probably variable mass, I'll keep it out, and till impulses only, I'll keep it in the syllabus.
Thank you, sir.
सर सर एक फोटो के ऑथेंटिसिटी के बारे में पूछना था।
बोलो।
सर एक फोटो है जिसमें एक स्पैमर आपको मैसेज कर रहा है, सर कमिंग फॉर हुक्का क्या, और आप बोल रहे हो यस वेयर डू आई कम। सर ये फोटोशॉप है कि आपने सच्ची रिप्लाई दिया है सर?
This is not a spammer. He was our student.
स्टूडेंट ने किया।
ओ अच्छा।
आप लोगों को शायद पुराने जमाने के नोकिया फोन कभी देखा है आप लोगों ने?
हाँ सर देखा है। तो यूज
Yes,
भी किया
sir.
है।
सर देखा का यूज भी किया है।
This was somewhere in the year 2009 or 10. Those days WhatsApp and all this didn't exist. Smartphones were just coming, or this was 2008 if I'm right. Smartphones were just coming. The first smartphone was 2009 if I'm right. Nokia ka, there was a screen like this. There is a button here. Here there are 4. And here all numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Right? When
नंबर्स के
you
नीचे वो ABC था.
हाँ, नंबर के बगल में ABC था. If you go for alphabets, then ABC will type.
फिर 3 बार दबाना पड़ता
वो
है।
3 बार दबाने से सी आएगा।
Just a minute, listen. Those were the days when I used to receive in a day around 100 messages which are not meant for me. Why? Because after typing the message on the screen, you will press this button for contacts. Right? You press that. First contact, second contact, third contact, and there will be a light glowing on the first contact. You scroll down, the light will come down to the name to which you want to send. Enter करो तो उसको जाए. You understood? Even now scrolling down, when you scroll, there will be a flashlight here, right? Now it so happened that during those days, students used to store my number. My number since 2006 is the same. This number didn't change. So students used to store this number with the name AC, alphabetical order. My name used to be the first name in many of their cell phones, unless and until they have a friend by name Abhishek, Abdullah, Abbas. AB was the only competitor for me. If they didn't have anybody with the name AB, my name is the first name. So they type a message and then they press on the contacts. The contacts opening up में by chance थोड़ी अगर देर हुई, yeah, they press that once again. The first name will receive the message. You understood the flow in it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When they press contacts, the names will open. You by chance press that contact 2 times, assuming your name's contact list is not opening. The first name received the message. So in a day, I used to receive quite a few messages which are not meant for me. Now this message, one student of ours, then we had only 2 sections in Andheri. He got into IIT Bombay. His IIT entrance examination was over. Right? He was sending a message to some of his friends. वो जल्दबाजी में टाइप किया and enter first name it went coming for हुक्का क्या. Afternoon it was around 2:40 if I remember well. I sent back a message, where do I come? He switched off the cell phone. Evening I called him up again. He again switched off the cell phone. रात को phone किया फिर मैंने. So then he understood I'll not give up. He picked up the phone and said, sir, sorry sir, that was not meant for you, this, that. I told him, I'm not worried that you sent me the message, but I want to know, why did you develop this habit so early? He said, no, sir, I never go, sir. This is the first time, sir. I'm getting into IIT Bombay, so I thought we'll party, this, that. He gave a number of excuses. And IIT Bombay is famous for it.
हाँ सर।
सर लेकिन ये तो जूम चैट पे लिखा हुआ था।
This I told last year your senior batch. They put it somewhere if I'm right.
ओह अच्छा।
सर
सर प्लॉट ट्विस्ट है कि आपको सच्ची में जाना था उसके साथ।
2 best messages I received or which shook me till date. Remaining messages I used to know that this was not meant for me. When students used to type to another classmate of theirs when they bunked the class, what did ACP teach today? Right? All those messages I used to receive. They used to send it to ACP by chance. One guy late night 1:30 he sent me a message, I love you. ये मैसेज देखा, भाग दोगे, कल सुबह क्लास आ जाऊंगा ना यार, अब बता दो, उठा के जगह को बोलोगे. I sent back a message late night. Thank you बोल के I sent back a message. He switched off his cell phone. Next day morning in the class I asked, those days we didn't have Truecaller. We had to ask, this number belongs to whom? Then kids gave an idea, sir, you dial that number, we will know kiska. Everybody put their phones on mute. No, obviously we will not be able to catch them. So after the class, that guy comes out and he tells me, sir, maaf kijiye, that number, that message was not meant for you. I told him I'm disappointed. He was in a hurry. He was in a hurry to apologize, so he didn't understand. But he took some time to understand.
सर ये जो आपने फोन बनाया
So
ना
understand what?
That
I
was
want to see
my
it, sir,
joke.
के
When I told him I am disappointed, he first sent me a message late night, I love you, which was supposed to be sent to somebody else. Right? Next day morning after the class, he comes and tells me, sorry sir, that was not meant for you. I told him I'm disappointed.
अच्छा वैसे सर समझा. You don't love me.
ट्यूबलाइट है सर ये भी.
Now tell me if I can rub the board.
Yes.
What
Yes,
was the
sir.
answer for this?
Answer for this is 12.5 meters per second. Now listen. This is capital M, this is small m, moving with a velocity of u. Just after collision, this will move vertically upwards.
सर ये शायद से एक्सरसाइज 1 में था.
Exercise 1 या शायद कहीं और भी होगा. एक दो जगह होता है. This is standard problem. Listen. A ball of mass small m is moving horizontally with a velocity of u, right? Collides with a wedge of mass capital M kept on a smooth horizontal surface. Smooth horizontal surface. Right? After collision, the ball starts moving vertically upwards. The ball starts moving vertically upwards. Right? First question. Find velocity of small m after collision.
So ये वाला किया है सर last
we're done with
Yes, ये किया है.
You know what this have we done?
Yes sir, yes.
Yes.
song.
Okay. In that case, we
But
say
sir, we did not consider its velocity after. We just find value of E.
No,
So
sir,
we
did
found
not
velocity of the wedge, velocity
No, sir,
of
we
the
did this
ball,
exact-
impulse and E.
हाँ सर velocity of
कर देते हो आप लोग.
Find E is
अरे
equal
सर क्या सर E निकालने के लिए तो सारे वेलोसिटीज चाहिए ना हमें.
Ah, right. Now, listen. Next question. Wedge of mass capital M having an inclination of theta with the horizontal is kept on a smooth surface. Smooth
तो ये भी किया
horizontal.
हमने लिए.
नहीं किया. देखिए. If a particle of mass m hits the wedge normally on its inclined plane, particle of mass small m hits the wedge normally perpendicular to the inclined plane, right? Find velocity of the wedge and the particle just after collision. Find velocity of wedge and particle just after collision. Small e is the coefficient of restitution. Small e is the coefficient of restitution. Will you try or should I discuss? Problem is easy, not
Try.
difficult.
The answer will be in terms of E. Is E given?
E small m capital M U. Answer will be in terms of U small m capital M theta and E.
सर कुछ perfectly elastic नहीं वो सब नहीं दिया.
नहीं, small e is the coefficient of restitution. You'll get it in terms of small.
So,
Hmm.
so two equations, two variables बन गया, but the simplification I'm not able to do.
Simplification is not very difficult, but have a look at it. I'll put it this way. This is colliding perpendicular to the inclined plane. I use red ink to show you after collision. After collision, small m will have a velocity this way. ऐसा कैसे बता पा रहे हो यार? How do you know that the direction will be perpendicular to the inclined plane? Because along the common tangent there is no impulsive force. It is a smooth inclined plane. Along this direction there is no impulsive force. Just before collision, if it is striking with a velocity of u, after collision it will have a velocity of v perpendicular to the inclined plane only.
Yes, sir.
So now this angle will be theta, this angle will be theta. Now just after collision, velocity of this I will call as v naught, this is v. Till here is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll rub this part of the board and need this. First of all, I'll have to deal with small a.
V2 minus V1 by.
I'll take this as positive, this as negative. This is theta, this will be V naught cos 90 minus theta will be V naught sin theta. This is negative. Right? I will take this body as 2, this body as 1. Are we okay with that? V2
Yeah.
minus V1 upon U1 minus U2. V2, which did I take this? I have taken V2, this as the second body. This will be, and this direction negative, minus V naught sin theta, minus of V, this velocity minus this velocity. But you are taking this as negative, this as positive. So V naught sin theta with a negative minus V upon, this is V2 minus V1 upon U1. This is 1. This is minus U, minus 0. This is my first equation. I'll write it as V naught sin theta plus V is EU. My first equation is that clear to all. V
Yes.
naught and V are what we should calculate.
Yes, sir.
Second equation is conservation of linear momentum in the horizontal direction, taking small m and capital M put together.
Yes,
Small
sir.
m and capital M put together in the horizontal direction, name the force.
No force, sir.
No
Oh,
force.
Mu sin theta. I'll take in this direction, everything is negative. In this direction, positive. Mu sin theta with a negative sign. Initial momentum. Final momentum. Capital M V naught. Obviously with a negative sign. Plus mv sin theta is my second equation.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, you have to calculate what all V naught and V.
Two equation together.
Calculate V naught, V naught, V naught. V naught from here and substitute here, you get V. Minus mu sin theta. Minus capital M. V naught is, or let me keep V naught first and eliminate V. How do I eliminate V? This will be
minus
minus V naught sin theta into V sin theta. Am I right? V we have removed, right? Silly that was. From these two expressions, take V naught common, you get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Minus mu sin theta minus meu sin theta will be equal to capital M plus m sin square theta into V naught. This should be equal to minus. This minus, this minus, this minus all will become plus. I think I didn't go wrong with the negative sign, just observe that. Last step, negative sign, कहीं गलती तो नहीं किया मैंने. MEU sin theta, I brought it to the left. It should have a negative sign. Right? This has a negative sign. Now this side, I kept this negative outside and m v naught sine square theta. I kept the negative outside means this is negative. Now all negatives will go positive, positive, positive. You bring that to the denominator, you get it. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I had gotten disconnected 3 minutes ago. So can you repeat the statement where you said why the ball after collision will return in the normal direction only for
There
sure?
is no impulsive force along the inclined plane.
Yes, sir.
So there is only one normal force which comes into picture. If this is the wedge, when the ball strikes this way, this is n delta. So whatever is the change in momentum should be along this line. Along the tangential direction, when the body is striking this way, this velocity is zero.
Yes, sir.
So it will remain zero.
Understood.
Sir, do you have the final answer for V written?
This is V naught. V have got V is what V. Yeah. V will be. Are you able to see this part of the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Capital ME minus M sine square theta into U upon capital M plus M sine square theta.
Yes, sir.
Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
One more problem on inclined plane before we proceed. Here we keep all doors open. Till now we were telling you direction in which it is moving, or we were telling you velocity. Here nothing. All doors are open. There is a mass of small m falling with a velocity of u on capital M. All surfaces are smooth. Small m is 1 kg. Theta is 30 degrees. Capital M is 2 kg. U is 2 meter per second. Small m is striking the wedge with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Small e is 0.5. This is a smooth surface. Inclined plane is also smooth surface. Find the velocity of the wedge and the ball just after collision. Find velocity of wedge and ball just after collision. There are two possible ways of looking at this problem. Are you going to take x and y axis parallel and perpendicular to the ground or parallel and perpendicular to the incline?
Sir, inclined plane.
Incline will be better.
I'll solve using both the procedures, one after one. You select something of your choice and solve using one procedure. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. So it's not like one is more convenient and the other is.
I don't know. There's always a mixed feeling for that. I feel one of them is convenient, while students tell me the other is convenient. अब जिसको जो पसंद आए ले लो, हम दोनों
No,
solve.
so which one do you feel is good?
That's
We'll
what I'm
do the
telling you.
other
It's a
one.
mixed feeling. We get different reports. So you select yours and do. I will solve using both the procedures. I'll give you 5-10 minutes for this problem. The problem is slightly lengthy, not difficult, slightly lengthy. Do it with some patience, step by step. Don't be in a hurry.
So you told anything about after collision in which direction it will move, the ball?
No, we are keeping all doors open. The ball has no restriction. After collision, it moves in the horizontal direction, vertical direction, kuch nahi bola hua. Hence the dilemma comes, should we take x and y parallel and perpendicular to the ground or parallel and perpendicular to the inclined plane?
Sir, please wait.
I'm waiting. Yeah.
Sir, sir, velocity of ball root 3 by root 3 minus 1 आ रहा है.
Velocity of the ball 2 by root 3 along its axis.
Yes, sir. And velocity of wedge is 1 by root 3.
Towards right. Perfect. Velocity of the wedge will be 1 by root 3. Velocity of the ball will be 2 by root 3 along x axis.
मुझे 3 by root 3 minus 1 आ रहा है.
Can you repeat the velocity of ball?
Velocity of ball 2 by root 3 along x axis.
Sir, can you please stop?
Yeah.
Can you wait for 1 minute, please?
Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Listen. First, I will assume a long extend y parallel and perpendicular to the ground. I will rub these values. When I ask you, you will help me out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The impulse will be j in this direction and j in this direction. This will be j sine theta. This is theta, this is theta, this will be j cos theta, this will be j sine theta. Right? This will have a small vx component, vy component, and this will have v. J is n delta t. You are okay with that. J is n delta t. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now j sine theta is small m into vx minus 0. Why 0? Body was falling vertically. What is the initial momentum in the horizontal direction? 0.
0.
J cos theta is in the upward direction. M Vy minus of minus M U naught. What was the velocity with which it was falling?
2 meter per second.
This is my second equation. Why did you take minus of minus? J cos theta upwards is positive. M Vy upwards is positive. Downwards will be negative then?
Yes, sir.
Third equation, J sine theta is capital M into V naught. Technically, first and third, if you observe, is conservation of momentum of small m and capital M put together in the horizontal direction.
Yes, sir.
First and third, if you people observe, LHS is equal. So MVX is capital M V naught. It is conservation of momentum in the horizontal direction, taking small m and capital M together. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now small e is V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U. I will call this body 1. I'll call this body 2. Right? I'll take everything in this direction as positive, everything in this direction as negative. Here small e, I have no choice. I have to take parallel and perpendicular to the inclined plane. This is 2. What is V2? V naught in this direction. This angle is theta. This will become V naught. This J sine theta here. V naught sine theta. And it's positive. V naught sine theta. In this direction, I have taken positive. This step, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Minus of this direction is negative. This angle is theta. This direction is negative. So I will put a negative sign. This minus came by virtue of this. This negative sign came because every velocity in this direction is negative.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This will be Vy cos theta plus Vx sin theta upon Vy and Vx का resultant in this direction, right? Vy cos theta plus Vx sin theta upon U1 minus U2. U1 was falling with the velocity. How much was this velocity falling with?
2 meter per second.
2 meters per
2 meters per second. So this was theta. This was 2 cos theta. In this direction, positive. U1, 2 cos theta minus 0. This is equation number 4. E value, how much did he give you? 0.5. Theta value is given as 30 degree. Am I right?
Yes.
Half into 2 cos 30 is equal to V naught sin 30 plus minus of minus will become plus Vy cos 30 plus Vx sin 30 is equation number 4. 2 and 2 will go. 30 degrees sin 30 cos 30 should not be difficult for you. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations. Count the number of variables before you start solving. So that you are sure. J is one variable, Vx is one variable, Vy is one variable, V naught is one variable. I should be able to solve.
Yes.
Right? If you solve, you will get Vy to be 0, Vx to be, eliminate J, Vx to be 2 by root 3. V naught is 1 by root 3. The simplification is not difficult, mind you. If I divide these both, sin theta gets eliminated. I get a relation between Vx and V naught. Right? Vx and V naught. Half my problem is solved here itself. I'll get a relation between Vx and V naught. Use this, then you get Vy.
Sir, why are we using J in this problem? Why can't we solve it like the previous ones?
Because in the previous ones, they gave you the final direction. Here they didn't. So I have one more variable called Vy. Vx I will get because of horizontal conservation of momentum. Vy I don't know.
Sir, but
Vy
when we,
calculate करने के लिए I have to introduce this equation. So in the attempt to calculate Vy, I got a new variable called G. If not, Vy कैसा आएगा? Other, if I remove this equation, I don't need G. Because first and third equation is conservation of linear momentum along x-axis. So whole of my problem is with this equation. Why did you introduce that equation will be your valid question, right?
yes, sir.
Vy के लिए I had to introduce. If I can tell you Vy without using this equation, give me an option, I'm okay with it.
Yes, sir, got it.
Suppose I take parallel and perpendicular to the inclined plane, then I can eliminate J. I'll show you how. First to take this down.
So can you tilt the camera a bit upwards?
ऊपर.
हाँ सर वो 2 cos theta के ऊपर आपने क्या हाँ सर thank you.
So can we use E is equal to tan alpha by tan beta in this question?
Over here, the inclined is also moving now. We got that.
Inclined is moving. Don't use tan alpha by tan. That's only a
Yes, sir.
Sir, instead of using J, I tried using alpha and beta as the two angles at which it approaches the normal and at which it leaves the normal. So would that be a valid approach?
Perfectly okay.
So, but the problem is, so when I'm applying conservation of momentum, sorry, sir, can you repeat?
You will have one more additional equation.
Yes, so can you help me with one thing? Sir, I have one doubt. So when I was that angle in the horizontal, I was conserving momentum in the horizontal direction. I'm not getting the angle at which it will be. So like V naught cos, what will it be, the angle?
You are taking this Vy, this Vx, instead you took this velocity and you took this to be alpha. This
and this to be beta. Yes, sir.
Okay, alpha will be theta now. D naught. I understood your problem. Alpha, this velocity is not perpendicular to the inclined plane. It need not be.
Yes, so that was my doubt. How do I find in the horizontal direction?
No, that will be a trouble. If you take this is the resultant velocity, you take this as alpha and beta. You take alpha and beta. Now V naught cos beta is equal to see V cos beta. Conserve momentum in the horizontal direction. M into V cos beta is equal to capital M into V naught. But V cos alpha के लिए again you have to bring J. You are at square one.
Yes, so so that will not happen.
Yeah, don't take this as theta only and so on. See, the bottom line, I'll tell you one hint. You will understand this because you have gone through this thing. I don't know the direction of V, but I know the direction of G. J will be perpendicular to the inclined plane. V need not be perpendicular to the inclined.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
J, if I take, I know that it makes an angle of theta with the vertical. V makes an angle of theta with the vertical, need not be.
So
doubt.
if they give the final direction of velocity, so then we can use my approach, right?
Comfortably, that will work.
Then it'll be easy.
Final direction अगर दे दिया तो much of your problem is solved. Your problem is lengthy because final direction is not given.
So a doubt. So why can't J sin theta is equal to mvx plus mv naught?
J sin theta is small m or capital.
So can you repeat?
Tell me your doubt. J sin
It should.
theta you want
Why
to
it can't?
what? J
So,
sin theta is the impulse on small m along x axis or impulse on capital M along x axis. Right? So J sin theta is final momentum minus initial momentum of small m in the horizontal direction. What do you want to equate this J sin theta to?
mvx plus mv naught.
What is
Capital
MV naught?
mv naught. Capital mv naught.
क्यों भाई साहब? J is acting on small m. ये capital M V naught कहाँ से आया? J is acting on small m and reaction of J, force on this mass में momentum of this mass बिल्कुल नहीं लूंगा. क्यों आया वो idea? कहाँ से आया? What is it? Force on small m will give me acceleration of small m. J sin theta I am taking as the impulse on small m. So change in momentum of small m. This J sin theta I am taking as impulse on capital M. So capital M V naught minus V.
Okay, sir.
Tell me when I can rub the board.
Sir, can you repeat the reason for the previous problem that we were so sure that final velocity will be along the common normal in the previous question?
Along the common tangent, what was the initial velocity?
Sir, initial velocity was u.
U is in which direction?
Normally to the.
So along the common tangent, what was the initial velocity?
U sin theta.
0.
यार तू खुद बोल रहा है normally.
अरे नहीं ठीक है
You
sorry
don't
यार,
want to
sorry.
accept or
Along
evaluate.
tangent it was
If
zero.
it is inclined, if it is impinged perpendicularly, normally तू कुछ बोल रहा है. And you are giving me a velocity in this direction. क्या बोलूं अब तुम्हें?
Sorry sir, I got confused about that.
This velocity component in this direction कितना होगा?
Zero.
Zero. Right? Do
Yes,
I
sir.
have an impulse along the common tangent? Is this surface rough?
No sir.
So along the common tangent, velocity or momentum should be the same.
Yes sir.
So initially zero, so finally be zero है.
Ah sir, got it. Thank you.
Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
There is a second method for this, taking parallel and perpendicular to the inclined plane. थोड़ा ध्यान से सुन ली. Do I have your attention?
Yes, sir.
This is the inclined plane, 30 degrees. The body is falling vertically. With how much velocity?
2 meters per second.
2. What will its velocity in this direction be? 2 cos 30, 2 sin 30. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, after collision, I will take this to be Vn and Vt. This I will take as V1. This angle is 30 degree. V naught in this direction, I'll have to resolve. Right, this will be V naught cos 30. This will, because this angle will be 30. This will be V naught sin 30. So far, so good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this tangential velocity component should be the same. In the direction there is no impulse, right? First equation Vt is equal to 2 sin 30 degree. I already got Vt. One part of the problem is done. Agreed. What will small e be? I take everything in this direction to be positive, in this direction to be negative. I take small m to be particle 1. This is particle 2. This will be V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U. V2 negative direction. V2 negative direction minus V0 by 2 sin 30 minus V1 is Vn positive direction. Numerator, is it clear? Then U1, you have taken everything in this direction positive, this direction negative. Don't change, right? U1, this was 1, right? U1 is 2 cos 30 with a negative sign minus U2 will be 0. This is my second equation. Is this clear to all till here?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Third equation. In the horizontal direction, both small m and capital M put together do not have an external force. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when the particle is falling vertically, initial momentum is 0. Final momentum, capital M V naught. I am taking this direction positive. Now this is 30, right? Minus of small m Vt cos 30 plus small m Vn sin 30 or cos 60. See if you are convinced with this third equation. It's towards the left. Vt cos 30, Vn cos 60.
Yes, sir.
3 equations and 3 variables. Count the number of variables. Vt is one variable, Vn is one variable, V naught is one variable. In this procedure, you have got one equation lesser because you have one variable lesser.
पर ये बेटर है थोड़ा ये.
In fact, quite a few students tell me this is easier because they count the number of equations. But somehow I am always comfortable with the other one. It's a tailor-made system. It changes from person to person. Learn both of them, nothing wrong, no big deal in either of them. Resolving vectors थोड़ा ढंग से कर लोगे तो either of the procedures will give you the correct answer. A positive negative में ही गलती करते हैं. 99% of the students a positive negative जो ले रहे हो ना, so clearly write which direction you are taking positive, which direction negative, which is the first body, which is the second body.
Yes.
If you nomenclate that, you will not go wrong. Small silly things but important in the problem.
सर ये सेम मेथड किया था लेकिन 3 बार सॉल्व किया और तीनों बार गलत साइन ले लिया था तो
सर मैंने भी यही मेथड
Generally it happens. Generally it happens with students. Positive, negative, unless you clearly specify, that is a common mistake committed by the kids.
सर वो जे वाला स्ट्राइक ही नहीं हुआ, ये थोड़ा
हाँ सर. Sir, will you be giving an assignment today?
Yeah, today lot of homework also. I forgot to deal one thing for you people while dealing with the two block system with a spring in between. I'll first deal with that, then we will go ahead. Tell me when I can rub the board.
yes.
Yes, sir, you can.
So wait a minute. Done.
Now listen. You people have done this problem. This is M1, this is M2. You are pulling this with a force of F. Maximum elongation. Have we done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have solved using the center of mass frame. We said M1, pseudo force is M1 ACM. On M2, this was F, and this was M2 ACM.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So ACM will turn out to be F divided by M1 plus M2. So on this, the force turns out to be M1F divided by M1 plus M2. Incidentally, if I substitute ACM here and subtract, right, on this, I'll get the force to be M1F divided by M1 plus M2. Are you able to recollect this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From the center of mass frame, you will feel both the blocks are being pulled away with the same force. Do you
Force.
recollect this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You said maximum elongation happens when both come to rest. M1F upon M1 plus M2 into X1 plus X2. You equated it to half K X1 plus X2 whole square. You got X1 plus X2, which is X maximum. This moved by X1, that moved by X2, which will be X maximum, 2 M1F upon K times M1 plus M2. Reminding you people of what I have done previously. Agreed?
Sir.
Maximum elongation happens when somebody is standing on center of mass, see both the blocks coming to
Rest.
Yes.
If I were to solve this problem with respect to ground, I forgot to solve this problem with respect to ground for you people. I solved center of mass, then I went ahead with F1 and F2 and I continued from there.
Yes, sir.
Right? Then if you people recollect with respect to ground, we tell you to avoid it because you have to integrate. Because X is a variable force.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is A1? A1 is Kx by M1. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A2 is F minus Kx by M. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AR will be A2 minus A1. What is AR?
Relative.
This will be F by M2 minus kx by m2 minus kx by m1. AR I will write as VR dVR by dx. What have I done?
So I expressed it as a differential
Ah.
form.
AR is dVR by dt.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
dVR by dt is written as dVR by dx into dx by dt,
Yes.
which is dVR.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, f by m2 minus k m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 into x. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
VR dVR is f by m2 into dx minus k m1 plus m2 upon m1 m2 into x d. Limits are the tricky part. From the ground frame of reference, when do you think the two masses will come to maximum
Both are the
velocity?
same. Both have the same velocity, same direction.
That means
Yes.
relative velocity should be zero.
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Both
Yes.
have the same. Initially, both were at rest. So relative velocity is zero. Finally, both should acquire the same velocity. Same velocity means what? Relative velocity is
Relative velocity.
0 x maximum. 0 x maximum. 0 is equal to f x maximum by m2 minus k m1 plus m2 by m1 m2 into x maximum whole square by 2.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes,
This
sir.
x maximum and this will get cancelled. M2 will be brought to the numerator of the left hand side and multiplied to 0 is equal to f minus k m1 plus m2 upon m1 2 times x maximum. Take this to the left and bring it and see if you are getting this or not.
So, sir, it's a little bit off topic. Can I ask?
इसके बाद
Okay, sir.
Yes, my answer is coming.
same thing here. You are able to see from here. Bring it that to the left and cross multiply. Maximum x maximum is what you should calculate. 2 m1f upon k m1 plus m.
Yes. Yes, sir. Done.
So one.
So till then we are free. Somebody want to ask something in between? I said after this. Bolo.
Yes. So for the MT, generally, what's the weightage for the first terms portion?
Generally, we suggest 40-60. Current topics will be 60%. Previous topics is 40%. But it becomes difficult for the examiner to maintain exact weightage. So कभी 35-65 हो जाता है, कभी 30-70. Otherwise कभी 55-45 भी हो जाता है.
Okay, sir.
We always instruct the paper setter that current topics be given 60% weightage. Magar it is not a hard lined instruction. We give so much of a space for the paper setter. He feels something important from previous topic, sometimes थोड़ा extend हो जाता है. 5% इधर उधर होता है.
So you are setting the paper pointing.
सर फट रही है सर बहुत ज्यादा.
हाँ सर डर लग रहा है.
Double
सर
track.
टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा प्रिपेयर करने के लिए.
I told you that before the double track start, and this is a universal problem. हर batch को एक problem होता है. All I can do with you is
Share your pain.
Empathize.
Empathize with you.
empathize with you people wholeheartedly.
You can do one thing.
Sympathies. वो किसी काम के है ही नहीं. वो sympathy क्या करोगे? तेल लाने गया से. तो मेहनत करो. This is the only time when you get in life to work this hard. फिर जिंदगी में ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलेगा. You get bored in life sometimes. चलो let's work hard. क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं होगा. This is the only time in life when you get an opportunity to work this hard. इतना मेहनत करने की मौका न पहले कभी मिला आपको न बाद में मिले. अब ये मत बोलना कौन चाहता है इतना मेहनत करने का. जिंदगी में सब कुछ टेस्ट करना है. Right? So the maximum effort that you are putting in your life for something is now. And it's only now. Thereafter, nothing else will be so much thriving for you. So give it the best of the shot. Baki, it will be taken care of. At least you will not have the regrets that I have missed something for a particular fault of mine. Give it the best shot. जो होगा सो देखा जाए. Creating tension for yourself, imagining the results, is the most foolish thing that we ever do. We know that creating tension will not solve our problem, but yet we don't leave that tension.
सर कल के डाउट लेक्चर में सर काइनेटिक एनर्जी के लिए एक सर ने फॉर्मूला दिया था सर K इज इक्वल्स टू K प्लस हाफ M VCM स्क्वायर. सर तो वो आप सर इसका मतलब सिखा सकते हो मतलब वो समझ
Sir बोले that will.
K of system is equal to K of CY.
Particular
K
rotational
of
dynamics.
system. So K of so one second. So K of system is equal to kinetic energy with respect to center of mass frame plus 1/2 into mass of the system into velocity of center of mass per square.
Put it in a simpler language. This will derive in rotational dynamics. Kinetic energy of a system of particles is equal to kinetic energy of the system of particles with respect to center of mass plus kinetic energy of center of mass with respect to ground. I repeat, ध्यान से सुनिए. This is a very standard thing, but we derive it in rotational dynamics for reasons that you will understand. Kinetic energy of a system of particles is equal to kinetic energy of the system of particles in the center of mass frame or with respect to center of mass plus kinetic energy of center of mass with respect to ground. Kinetic energy of system of particles is equal to kinetic energy of the system of particles with respect to COM plus kinetic energy of COM with respect to ground. Here system with respect to ground. Now one part of it we dealt with without your knowledge in conservation of momentum.
K
What was
minimum. K minimum.
right? When will this be minimum? When kinetic energy of center of mass with respect to ground is 0. That means kinetic energy of the system in the center of mass frame will be minimum.
Minimum.
The minimum kinetic energy I can have is this, provided this is 0. One part of it we dealt, but the complete derivation will come in the next chapter. In detail, we'll be dealing with.
Sorry, next chapter, which problems will be there?
Listen, there is a problem to complete this derivation here. अभी आप जो लोग kinetic energy समझ रहे हो ना, that is not the complete kinetic energy.
सर ये बहुत shady होते जा रहा है सर.
अभी आप जो लोग kinetic energy समझ रहे हो is only for a point object. When the body is rotating, it will have rotational kinetic energy also with it. Half I omega.
हाँ सर, chemistry में पढ़ा है.
Yeah.
Degrees of freedom.
दोनों मिला के total kinetic energy बनता है. Now we introduced only translational kinetic energy, half and this. So what you know right now is half the truth, not the complete truth. Wait for rotational dynamics. There I will be deriving this. Now listen, homework. Homework. HCV's homework is given to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Except one variable.
Except which problem number?
57.
57.
57. Booklet
1 and 2 exercise.
1 and 2.
exercise 1, 2, 3. Right? Now I will be sending you an assignment. This assignment has got more than 60 problems. How many?
More
One
than
six.
In this assignment, there are objectives and subjective questions. In the assignment, solve only objectives.
Okay, sir.
सर कितने objectives हैं?
I'll just open the assignment and show it to you. 1 second. Ruko.
सर थोड़ा सर मोटिवेशन दे दिया थोड़ा मतलब रिलैक्सेशन.
Objectives कितने हैं? Objectives are 51. One.
सर गया relief.
सर क्या फर्क पड़ा?
नहीं subjectives जब पढ़ोगे समझ में आ जाएगा. Subjectives हर एक क्वेश्चन will take you more than half an hour to बना. Objective का जो 9 क्वेश्चंस है 51 क्वेश्चंस के बराबर है.
पता है सर.
सर बहुत खुशी दे रहे हो सर आप.
Sir, actually,
Actually, that's why I kept subjective pending. Few of them I'll discuss in the class to give you momentum. If not, problems are so lengthy. Even booklet may I would have told you exercise 4. Exercise 4 may few problems are so lengthy that half the way through you'll forget what you're doing. Those I will discuss in the class. So exercise 4 I kept pending here. Subjective questions I kept pending here to make your life a bit simple.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Listen, I understand one thing. You need time. I am okay with it. Suppose you tell me, when is our next lecture?
Sir, Sunday. No, Sunday के पहले भी है. Sir, Saturday को है और Sunday को.
No, Sunday if you people tell me, sir, give us time to solve, we are unable to complete, I will give you time. I have no problem. I am in no hurry to teach and finish off the chapter. Sunday ka lecture you can take time to solve. I have no problem with that. Tell me after the next lecture on Friday.
Sir.
Or Saturday, whenever it is.
So on
So would
Sunday
you
you
mind
can
taking a
discuss
doubt
booklet and
lecture?
HCV doubts.
Yes, sir. HCV full is pending. Only till 1 to 14 is done. And after that it is pending HCV. And yesterday we discussed exercise 1 full. Exercise 2 is remaining. And if we can finish assignment and exercise 3, we'll do that. So we can.
I am okay. Sunday I'll discuss doubts. I will not
Okay,
run
sir.
ahead.
Thank you,
This
sir.
is-
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, and the tests next week, please. Full portion.
full portion test. Practice test, right?
Yes, sir.
Practice test for junior.
So you will include the track 2 subject also, no, in that test.
Say that again.
Will you
So
we
we will
have
include
Include
reoptics
ray optics
also.
and all.
Yeah, पूरा syllabus.
Thank you,
पूरा
sir.
syllabus का दे देंगे आज.
Thank
सर
you,
वो
sir.
डीसी
Thank you.
पांडे का बोर्ड बहुत टफ है, मतलब वो बहुत क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो रहे.
DC Pandey.
Of which topic?
सर काइनेमेटिक्स का कुछ.
अभी
Kinematics अभी
सर काइनेमेटिक्स
काइनेमेटिक्स के लिए डीसी पांडे भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो जितने सारे असाइनमेंट्स हमने दिए, कितने असाइनमेंट्स दिए हुए काइनेमेटिक्स में?
काफी
4
दिया.
I think.
8.
8. सारे 8 फिर से कर लो, काफी.
ओके सर, ठीक है सर.
So assignment 3 में
मेरे
याद नहीं
वो
कर
तो
रहे.
प्रोजेक्टाइल और वो सब थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था.
You are sending the assignment now.
राइट नाउ वही काम कर रहा हूँ. I'll disconnect and send it from the phone.
ओके
Right?
सर.
Thank you, sir.
बाय सर, थैंक यू.
See you people in the next class.